Now, and as the lawyers and human rights activists staged the protests at the coast, several families are yet to come to terms with the reality of missing loved ones. They cling to the hope that they are not dead, even though there have been claims that unexplained disappearances could well be linked to murders.
Magongo Shopping Center, Changamwe. A woman is busy sewing a piece of cloth. She's totally engrossed, the cover on her face making it difficult to read her emotions. This is Sada Suleiman, tortured and persecuted, the wife of Hemedi Salim Ahmed, who disappeared mysteriously in February 2014 without a trace. She doesn't know whether to consider herself a widow or continue to hang on hope.
Mara wanasema waliokuwepo wanasema wakaona polisi wameingia, walivofanya wakafanya wakawabeba wengine, waliwakamata wakapeleka. Sasa huyo kwetu hatukujua mpeleko wapi.
And this is Hemedi, donned in a white vest. The video captures the last moments Hemedi was last seen. Hemedi was part of a congregation that had attended prayers at the Masjid Musa Majengo area when police launched a raid at the mosque, ostensibly to scuttle an underground jihadist convention that had been radicalizing youths at the facility. Police said he escaped the dragnet on their way to Makupa police station. A police died during the deadly onslaught.
Polisi wanasema wanadaisha Hemedi aliruka kwa lori. Na sisi katika clip tunamuona Hemedi akiwa kwa Land Cruiser. Sasa sijui Hemedi alienda akabadilishwa huko mbele akatiwa kwenye ile lori baada ya kutolewa pale ndani ya msikiti na Land Cruiser, sielewi.
Since the occurrence, they have explored virtually all avenues, including going to court, but nothing seems to promise Hemedi's return.
Hawa watoto wanahitaji kusoma, wanahitaji huduma zote kama wewe unajua. Pia kama yuko nijue yuko, na mtu akiwepo hukumiwa kulingana na makosa yake.
In July the same year, Mohammed Shahid Bat of the Modern Coast Bus Company was killed in cold blood. He was ambushed by gunmen after picking up his son from the Moi International Airport at about 7:30 p.m. His killers are yet to be known.
So far, between January and April, there is a record of about 56 people who have been executed.
Even as lawyers and civil societies began countrywide demonstrations over extrajudicial killings, families on the low cadre of life feel justice may never surface for them. Mzee Abdi Farah has an almost similar ordeal. His son was whisked away from the mosque by armed men in tinted vehicles in 2015.
Safari moja niliona kwenye gazeti kwa mtoto wangu anatakana, polisi wanamtafuta. Nikamchukua mimi mwenyewe na yeye mwenyewe akajisalimisha, nikaenda naye mpaka province. Akajisalimisha province. Wakakaa naye for 2 weeks. Baada ya 2 weeks wakambeta kotini, wakasema hana hatia yote mtoto. Baada ya muda kidogo wakamshika tena, mpaka leo mtoto wangu bado sijamuona.
The family of Hemedi is left at crossroads and are now joining in calls for a quick constitution of a judicial inquest into extrajudicial killings and disappearance. Since February 2014, the whereabouts of Hemedi Ahmed Salim is yet to be known. Despite the family filing several petitions to the state, no answers have been given yet. And now Hemedi adds on to a long-growing statistics of Kenyans who've disappeared down here in the coast without explanations. Francis Ontomwa, KTN News, Mombasa.